It was on a stormy night when Sarah, the village seamstress, realized the pattern. The victims were always those who had taken the shortcut through the woods at night. Armed with only a lantern, she ventured out, her heart pounding as she retraced the steps of the dead. Halfway through the dark, twisting path, she heard footsteps behind her. She turned, and there he stood, her neighbor, the quiet farmer who always kept to himself. His smile was cold, and in his hand gleamed a sharpened blade. But Sarah had come prepared. With a swift motion, she plunged a hidden dagger into his side. The killer gasped, his eyes wide with shock, before collapsing into the dirt. As dawn broke over the village, Sarah stood at the edge of the woods, staring down at the lifeless body. The nightmare was over, but the village would never be the same again.